Hello, I welcome you to my Yoruba language class. In our class today, we will be learning colors, AWON. It should be noted that the traditional Yoruba color scheme involves only 3 colors, which are black, blue, arrow, red, osun, white, efun. But over time, other color names have been developed, either by borrowed words or using comparisons to describe these colors. Alright, let's go. White, funfun. Black, DUDU. Red, pupa. Green, àwọ̀ ewé. Blue, àwọ̀ aró. Grey, àwọ̀ eérú. Yellow, àwọ̀ ìyèyè. Orange, àwọ̀ òféèfé. Gold, àwọ̀ wúrà. Silver, àwọ̀ fàdákà. Purple, àwọ̀ ELESE ALUKO. Brown, àwọ̀ ara. We have come to the end of the lecture. We will meet in the next class.